Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle. Thank you so much to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. None of this would have been possible without you, so thank you so much. So today we talk to a shoemaker who goes by the name of Ian. Ian resides in Cascade in St. Anne, however he works in Colleyville, Manchester, so we will be talking to him, and also we're going to be holding a reason with Steppa, who is a taxi operator. So stick and stay, and please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell, so once you upload a new video you will be notified. So do enjoy the video. So morning Shoesie, how you doing?
Not too bad, ma'am.
Okay, awesome.
Yes,
so I noticed you're working on some shoes here. How long have you been working on repairing shoes?
You know, sir, really from about 12 years old from I left school.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah? So since you left school, this is what you have been doing?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you love doing it?
You know, I not say love doing it, but you know. Instead of people have to do this more than go thief and rob something else.
Yes,
so
that's true.
This.
That's true.
Yeah, my thing slow still, but me still I go and hold it, I not give up.
Yes, yes. Right, because when I saw you, I was amazed that in this age, persons are still repairing shoe.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of people coming to you?
Yeah, man, we have a lot of clients, man.
Yes?
Yeah, man,
yes.
And mostly teachers, them and them people, them never stop fix shoes.
Okay, so teachers come to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm to all the bank teller them, most of them, because you know, most of them are heels.
Oh.
So, you know, the tipping and them make a thing there, they have to really deal with it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
I
man,
see.
calling to shoes and as a teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, because you know the teacher them now, they have to start out them shoes.
Yes, the tip come off and they have to come and get it replaced.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah. All right, so you normally work from here? Or you have another location where persons can find you?
You know, me used to have a location at Christiana, but me don't worry that location anymore.
Okay.
So me just stay here.
Because I noticed you're working out of your car.
Yeah.
Okay, so the location you had before, you had to pay rent and so on?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's easier to know work out of the car because you don't have to pay any rent or so?
Yeah, you don't have to pay any rent.
Okay, yes.
You know, that too, me still fret on the locking up, you know?
So that again didn't get that part?
You go fret on the locking up sometimes, because you know, afraid them break it still, but
yes.
they not break it.
Okay, because you leave the car here, so some morning time you just come and just open up at the car.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's very nice to know that, you know, you find something more efficient, something that works for you.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
True.
So you do anything else apart from repairing shoes?
Yeah, me do like a farming.
Oh, you do farming?
Yeah.
What do you plant?
Plant yam and carrot.
Yam and carrots?
Yeah.
So when we can't find you here, so when we don't see you here, so you mean you're on your farm?
Yeah.
So how do you find it in terms of the farming? How is it?
Well, you see, sometimes the farming work out better, but it take long.
It take long?
Yeah, but you work out better, because when you reach one crop, you can make a good money, you know?
Yes, so you have a quicker turnover preparing the shoe, because you can get one quicker income.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this now, I make an income, so now I can buy fertilizer now, easier for the ground and things.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
Understand. So who taught you to repair shoes?
You know, from long time ago, I did love it.
Yeah.
When I go to school, I did love it, you know? So when I leave school, I just finally come on.
Okay.
Yeah, and then now in leave, go town, and used to build. Slippers right through, shoes right through. So then now in leave, go to town, and I decide to go to town. So I did go back in the bush.
Oh.
Then now you get break up now, car break him up at town.
Okay.
On bike.
He was in an accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he come back a country now, so when he come back a country now, he send me back for the toll over town.
Oh.
Him can't use them.
Okay.
So me just take them now and just see, alright, me now bother with the bush again, me I come out on the road.
Yes, and give you the tools so you can work with them.
Yeah.
Oh.
So at the end of the day, now, I still have to take care of him.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
still do take care of him?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah, man. Like also, you know, when we leave bush now, we go in house now,
Yes.
tidy him up,
Yes.
clean him up, change up in clothes, them, clean up in your house.
Okay.
And things for him.
Oh, that's
And
very
give him all the
nice.
money, yeah?
Oh, so you take care of him?
Yeah, man.
Okay, because he would have actually given you something to live on, a trade.
Yeah.
And well, so you show how grateful you are by assisting him.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Son, I make you a pint of duty.
Yes. So where are you from?
St. Anne's.
You're from St. Anne?
Yeah,
okay,
Cascade.
so when you leave here, you go all the way back to St. Anne?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Oh, in Cascade?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so Ian, tell me about the shoe repair now in terms of the cost. How you charge?
Well, you see the cost now, I charge as all the shoes stay.
Oh, it depends on how badly damaged it is.
Yeah, so I don't sit on one price.
Okay.
No.
So give me a range.
A range, alright, because listen now, a shoes the bottom now. If you want the cheese bottom, that is cost you 4 or 5.
4 or 5
if you
to
want
put
a
on
rubber
that.
bottom, it cost you 3 5. Yeah.
Okay. So what about like that you're working on now? It has a tier to the side.
Yeah.
Right. So how much you
the two
charge?
side, you know, I just charge a 2 bills.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
till
I
that morning.
see.
I
Yes.
just charge a 2 bills, because you know, and everybody can really find and somebody off the day to help somebody.
That is true.
So I just take it and just know say it's a help me. Sometimes I come out and I don't make nothing.
Yeah.
But I still give thanks.
That's true.
Because somebody will pass and see me so the other day,
Yes.
you bring something.
Yes. So not because we see you here every day working, it doesn't mean that on the day you're actually collecting.
Yeah.
It could be that you're just working and somebody pass by and say, you know, work on this for me.
Yes,
So it's
just-
tomorrow you might get the money or the day after.
Yeah.
So
and some will stop now and say, alright, you want it now.
Yes.
Want it back now, yeah?
Yeah, so someday it work out good, someday it might delay a bit,
Yeah,
but in the
yeah.
end it still work.
Yes, at the end. 'Cause
Yes.
you know, you have to save out it and make yourself be a man.
That's true.
You understand?
Yes.
'Cause at the end of the day, me buy car out of it.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow. So it does help.
Yeah.
Yes.
'Cause you know, it's not what you earn, you know, it's what you save.
Is what you say.
Yeah, because yeah. Man died long time before me. And still can't show nothing.
Right, so at the end of the day, you made a very important point. It's not so much how much you earn,
Yeah.
but how much you're willing to save.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
yeah.
true.
Because no matter what you do, you still not save something out of it. You still not go now, you still not see yourself out.
Yes.
You
Yes.
understand? You can make a million to the day. You don't save nothing. Tomorrow you'll still be poor.
Yes, because you're not saving and putting away a little each day.
Yeah.
Right.
So me try to make my point of truth right, you know, there so nothing now go on. Still try to show the $100 silver every night.
Yes.
Me
Wow.
even beg fear to go home.
Yeah, man.
Me still show the $100 silver.
Yes, because it adds up.
Yeah. Yeah.
True words.
You understand? So
Yes.
me no really depend on everyday thing. So when the man me come and work, see me still have to borrow $100 back out of the silver.
Yeah.
Even really travel with still. But it don't really matter me call come home, I go and me can carry two.
Yes, you put me a cup back for it because you
Yeah.
borrow from it.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah, so
Lovely.
yeah man, I just so me try to do it.
Yes,
You understand?
yes. Because maybe if you weren't doing it that way, some things you wouldn't be able to achieve.
No.
Right, because this can never give you money, like a one-off money to just go and buy something. For example, your car, you couldn't buy it like that. You would have to save and
Save.
put aside.
Yeah. Come there, so from the other day and want a clutch and pressure plate and I send this week and me buy it.
A pressure plate and a clutch.
Yeah.
Right.
And if it's not hard.
Yeah, you have to take your time and save if you get it.
Yeah. Sometimes I don't eat.
Yeah,
Just because me know me need that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's tough. It's a continuous struggle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Wow. And sometimes do you have situations where persons carry shoes come and you repair it and they not come back for
I
it?
know me have a portion in here right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how you deal with that? Like when you fix so many of them and they don't come back to pick them up?
Well, me have to just keep them tell you maybe come or otherwise me have 30, me give 30 days to come for. Sometimes me even keep it more than even the 30 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And persons will come after the 30 days?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
And come on, you know, if it, them still want to make trouble.
Yeah, so you have to make sure so you have it.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so that's why sometimes now on the job now, we don't take no down payment. Sometimes. We just tell us, we make sure we come for later.
Yeah, you know, take no down payment.
No, me take for all of them.
Yeah.
You know, who we take it from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you determine that based on when the client come to you, you decide whether or not you're going to take something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I see.
Yeah, because I see like the teacher them come now, I know I have to pressure myself for them advance.
Yes.
Because I know see them sure back with them job.
You're right. They're sure if you come and they're sure if you pay you.
Yeah, yes. We have a
Okay.
problem with those clients.
Yes, you're a smart man though, Ian. I like your reasoning.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yes. So Ian, talk to me about growing up. What was it like? Because I know you mentioned that when you left school, you started working on shoe, you started learning how to repair shoe and so on.
Yeah.
So what was going to school like in terms of, you know, living conditions
In
and so on?
school, you see, I grew up in a poor condition. My mother and my father never have it.
Yeah.
They have four bus. See, John, no, the second one, I have to work like a mule.
Yeah.
I have to go gun with the old man. My mother got market, I have to cut the load and them thing there. So me not get enough time at school.
Yeah, you're always
I know say,
working.
mother and father in those days they specialize from picnic. So the first one, they not kill me no work.
Yeah.
Him grow soft away.
Yeah.
You understand? So he's like a them pet. So we don't get much learning. And check it out the levels for me growing up, coming up. You know, most of all the picnic them who born in the 70s.
Yeah.
Like most dons.
Yeah.
In the 70s, if you check the levels. Yeah.
Because they were mainly
Poor
focused on,
condition and
yeah, we're helping their parents maybe on the farm and so on.
yes, so after me left school now, my father now, he's a rough man, you know.
Yes.
Bunny weed and drinking rum, you know. Rough man, rough nigga, me not tell no lie.
Yeah.
Man, well, I fag me, you know. Well, I ain't fag me in those days, you know.
Yeah.
Me cry night and day. Me have to move with him.
Yes.
Because the time I'm on a roof, I provide. So I have to really go.
Yeah.
So then time them thing they now just sit back now just done.
Yeah, so you have to work with daddy, so you can't really go to school and get education as you would want.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So never just end out on a cheap trade me can really manage.
Yes, because you never get to go to school like you don't want to, for, you know, maybe try and achieve something else.
Yes.
Yes.
So you know you have to take it up on a cheap like a trade now where you can really manage out of your head.
Yes. Yes.
So me have to just jump on a little one and just know say alright. Still now go straight. Yeah, me run left them and go me a pen.
You run left them and go me a pen?
Yeah.
Like runway?
Yeah, man.
So you runway, leave home and go me a pen?
Yeah.
What age was this?
What, now 16, 17 those time?
Yes.
Yeah. I get rough for me now, I can't manage, so I run away.
Yeah.
Never have nobody at me a pen either. I start sleeping at the market.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Start borrow some cart man and push on cart now and start make money now, so tell anywhere now, we start sell fruits.
Oh.
Orange and everything there.
Yeah.
We didn't start find like a company named Squish. A juice company and start work with them now after a time now, so tell.
That was in Maypen still?
Yeah.
Oh, so you never come back home, you just change your ways?
Yes, and till after a time now I just find out, I say, right, I'll come back because the old lady get sick now.
Yes.
And then now, she never have no girl picnic, yeah? So I just 4 boy away. So none never got the house with them at that time. So me come out now and stay at the house with them now.
Yes.
And did a go on. Boom bang pan this, to the ground, to the farming and thing.
Yes.
So after that time, I find time, I leave the farming completely again. Because them drop out now, them dead now.
Okay.
So things gone worse now. So I can't bother with this, I turn a road.
Yeah.
Besides, say, boy, I go back on this.
Yeah, you come back on the shoe.
Yeah, because farming hard still. Can't buy the lighter. Sometimes you set the crop, can't find the lighter, can't find the spray.
Yeah.
The day of hard work with the man find the man till in the night, chump change.
It's tough.
Yes.
And you not earn nothing at the end of the day.
Yes.
Nothing that substantial.
Yeah, by the time you find a little food and buy a little food out there, you can't even buy a pants now.
Yeah, so it's tough.
Yeah. Me the pants now, I can buy me little food and buy a little something and clothes and things. So I say, boy, I have to come back and stick to this.
Yeah.
So I end up now come back on this now. And then, but at the same time, still go like Sunday day on my bush now.
And do what you can do on the farm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but so you find the farm to be costly because of the fertilizer and the things that you have to be buying.
Yeah, because very dear.
Yeah, so you have to work here, son, get the money to buy the fertilizer, put in on the farm.
Yes, and buy like a food and thing, you know. So it's not an easy road same way.
Yeah, so it's still rough.
Still rough.
So for you, Ian, it has always been a struggle.
Bad.
So, because you would have you know what it's like to live on the street and struggle growing up pretty much.
Yeah, man, I know it,
Yes.
man.
So, Ian, let me ask you though, you have a family now? You have children?
No.
No, okay.
No.
So, what you have any long-term plans? Because I know you're working on shoes. You have been for a number of years, 12 years, you say, roughly. You've been working. or from you left school. Basically, it's what you know.
Yeah.
So, do you have any plans, any long-term plans to, you know, maybe aspire to something else?
Yeah, man. If me get something else on the side, yeah, me move, cause it's really what you know. As I tell you, there is no good education to go somewhere and get a nice job, yeah?
Yeah.
So I still have to just go on this little farming.
Yeah, so you have to go and juggle the farming and do the
Yes, sir.
shoes thing for now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Yes,
Yes, mommy.
Morning,
My
morning.
good friend of mine.
Yes, yes. We just there to talk to him, you know?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
leave him out, you know?
Yeah, man.
Shoot, sir.
Yes. Carry shoe to him when you're ready?
Yes, and the best round down.
Yeah. Okay.
Best round down.
Awesome, awesome.
Some of the Bilal shoes.
Really?
See there? I ain't put on the bottom band that it like original.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So you not tell me that Ian say you put on the bottom on that?
Yeah.
Are you do it?
Yeah.
Yes, you're great, man.
Yeah, man. We convert the bottom of our next shoes, you know?
Yes, and
Yeah.
fix it up.
Yeah.
And you can never tell.
Yeah.
Right.
Because look at the stitching on it. Look how good it is.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you know, so this a shoes can mash up
Me
Ian.
I tell you, me almost sleeping at very comfortable, man.
Yes.
Yeah. I have many pair of shoes are right now for me build back this one. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, we're next one.
And this
Okay.
class, you can't give me. You go fix me.
Oh, so you carry your clocks, come for you fix
Take
it.
off the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Oh.
And fix it up.
Oh.
And put back a real color, look like brand new. Cause
Yeah.
20,000 to buy any more clocks now.
Yeah, so you just repair it so you can get a couple more years out of it.
Yes.
Exactly.
It's
Oh.
the general.
Okay.
See, you're from where, ma'am?
We are from Trelawney.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's
so
why you're in the blue.
yeah, man, we have a YouTube channel, Likkle Everyting Jamaican.
That's good.
Yeah.
So we have feature Ian, you know, talk about his business and his upbringing and so on.
Yes, yes,
Yes, and we get to meet a customer.
Yes.
That's you.
Yes.
True.
You come at the right time.
Right
Yeah.
time.
Yes.
Okay.
True, man.
Yes. So you carry your shoes, come get you and fix now.
Yes, we are making this now.
Also, where you go, where leave? You
No,
carry
we
his
show him, because I'm in the DVD from there, but we didn't come yet.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
want to talk to him now if he, you know, okay.
Shoes can put on if you want to give him now.
Yes, yes.
True.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm
Yeah.
Virgin, I'm going to drink one beer, same way.
When? Okay, early now, you know?
You could have early.
About after 9.
You should have drinking a long time.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
It's late.
Yeah. True.
You're late.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Fine, you know?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ian.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you see anything when you can go on with it, you can make him chip in.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So put me on YouTube.
You're there on YouTube long time from the moment you walk up right here. So.
You buy me there on YouTube.
Yes, that. True.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name? My name is Steppa.
Tree Stepper?
Yes.
Okay, awesome, Tree
I'm
Stepper.
from Bohemia district.
From where?
Bohemia.
Bohemia. Where's that?
Bohemia when you go Larimas.
Oh, okay.
Turn that way.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
wrong.
Okay. So you're on the Christiana to Larimer's route, that route?
Albertown.
So Christiana to Albertown route.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So big up Tree Stepper.
Steppa, you know?
Stepper. All right, all right.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
That's how I wanna go on, you know?
You love it? Yes.
So
So
the
how?
right thing make we happy up yourself, you know?
Yes,
We don't want no
true.
crime and violence in our place. We just want to do our own thing.
Yes, yes.
This is the brother here now. The government doesn't let him, you know.
Yeah.
He must do anything he wants self.
True.
Yes. If we left the government are empty already, in that we hungry.
That's true. You have to do something.
He must do something for himself.
Yeah, man.
True.
Yeah, man.
Understand?
Yeah.
So government, if you see what you can do for this young man, help him.
Yes. Yes.
See me attack up there.
Awesome.
Government, if you see what you can do for this young man, help him.
Blessed Tree Stepper. Well said. Well
He's
said.
a progressive youth.
Yeah, man.
Never hear he steal yet. No time. And he don't like people who steal.
Okay. So Tree Stepper, talk to me since you're here. How the taxi business going?
Well, to be frank with you, you know, things half and on.
What you mean by that?
You know, say you don't get your job full of water every day.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you have to give thanks for what you get.
Yes. So
True,
some
true.
day good, some day not so good, but you keep going.
help you, that's you're not thief.
Yeah.
True, true.
Yeah, it keeps you honest.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not doing no trouble to you. I'm not doing no trouble to you. I'm
Oh,
not doing no trouble to you.
awesome.
If you want to buy one beer, you want to buy a beer.
Yes.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah, man. All right. Watch the beer then. No, make you stay till later.
No, we should drink it already, mommy. Yeah. No, we should
You're late.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Yes,
You
yes.
understand?
Yeah, so you like the taxi business?
You know, when you're doing something for yourself, you prefer. Because right now, I prefer work for myself and get 10,000 more than work for you, and you give me 20.
Yes.
Because you're gonna work me out until I drop down to get the 20.
Yes. So
But
what's...
when I work for myself, I'm tired, I go sleep.
Okay, you rest when you want.
Yeah.
So you decide you are more flexible.
Yes.
And you prefer that.
Yes, because the money is not hard.
That's true.
Because we can't see money and we are good left money.
Yes. So you have to know when to take a break
Yes, you have to know when to take a
and
break
give the body a
and
rest.
give the
True,
body a
true.
rest.
True,
Don't matter
true.
that much you want to pile up till you go most night.
Yes. Yes.
Because, yeah, bro.
Yeah. You were deadlift it. Broke down the body and deadlift
All we
it.
have to do,
Yeah.
praise God and live.
Thank you so much. Well said.
Yeah, true,
God
true.
and live.
Okay.
That we can do.
Awesome three-stepper.
And do the right thing.
True, true.
No, I end up in a jail house. Me nah go prison go spend no long holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holiday too long. One night.
You prefer work for your honest bread.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
the way to go.
True.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir. Fix the steamer, fix him up. Nice. Fix him up, nice. I'm very far.
Yeah.
People are good people.
True. Yeah.
Good people are good people.
True.
Yes.
And
So
so
it-
go car and buy.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Buy. Are the best make come across.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, Ian,
Yes, ma'am.
persons wanting to contact you, suppose they want, meet up with you, give you a shoe to repair. You have a number they can reach you at.
Yeah, man. You have a number.
All right. So, shout out the number and tell the people them now.
Yeah, man. 405-0141.
Okay, awesome. And of course, we'll place that number on the screen and
Yeah.
down in the description as well.
Yeah, true.
All right. So anybody want to reach Ian can reach him at his number.
Yeah, true.
All right. So
Yeah.
so when somebody bring a shoe to you, how long before they can come back? Is there a time limit in
Yeah.
which?
And depends what the damage and
Oh.
if I don't have to go and buy purchase no material, you can get it back at the same time.
Okay. Okay.
With this man, you can get picked up back all the evening.
Okay. And if
Even
it not
earlier.
badly damaged, you can fix it really quick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it all depends. If you have to go get material, it may take a little time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
You know, take
awesome.
more than 1 day or 2 days.
You are going to
Yes.
give me you soon come.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, three stepper.
Yes, sir.
Nice talking to you. Oh, you're coming back. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, three stepper. I hear you.
Hot, sir, hot. Yes, sir.
So you really I give the beer this morning, Mr. Ian.
Yeah, man.
Okay, all right. So talk to us about what you're doing now. What did you do to this shoe?
I died.
You
Change
died?
the color. Yeah. This
Oh, what
was
color was it?
Green.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so you changed it to black.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you polish it up now, fish, and then shine it afterwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The gentleman is coming for it today.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we just watch you working pretty much.
Yeah.
Wow. So for persons even wanting to contact you, well, they have your number, but where we are located now, this is what? Coleyville, Manchester.
Yes,
And you're right at the intersection of this road leads to Craighead.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
other one down there go over by Trelawney
Trelawney,
Larmas,
yes,
and the other one proceeds to Christiana.
Yes,
So you're right at the intersection.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You got the whole taxi crew. What is that?
All
Yes, sir.
right.
Man,
Let me pick up the taxi crew them.
Man,
Okay, three step. I really go buy the beer and give Mr. Ian.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Okay.
man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up the whole taxi crew. Big up Carl up a cascade there, sir, you know.
Yes.
What drive a white icy same way, you know.
Okay.
Real.
All
Big
right.
up the whole of me tuggy them. Job 24/7. You understand? Big up the whole high school children them who who bring themselves out nice and clean and try to hold them head up and not down. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Big up everybody.
All right.
One love, one heart, one destiny.
Blessings.
Police make me case if I hear. Big up a peace officer out of Christian. We're not doing the work, you know. We're not here to do, you know. We're not here to the police. We're not doing the work. How you have to do your work.
Yeah.
So we have to know so we can retire good bar street and overload the vehicle and make everything proper. And we get less ticket.
Okay.
Officer, we love you. We never jump around and hate you because you do a man on the ticket. We love you.
Yes.
We do the work.
Okay.
Yes. How we do the work, how we do the right thing.
Yes. Peace and love. Peace and love.
True.
Heal the king, heal the king.
True.
All
Heal
right.
the king. Yes. I go to school of drama.
You go to school of drama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're a comedian?
Yes, ma'am.
So how comes you're not in the comedy business?
Because I want a little help.
Okay, what kind of help you need?
I want somebody to assist me.
Yes. In
Yes.
what way?
I can do play and things like that, you know.
Oh.
And I'm also a singer too, you know. I can sing too.
Yeah, you can do a little thing for your life now?
I don't think I can manage it now.
Oh, you're not ready
Because
yet?
it's not something where I come to.
Oh, okay, okay.
No. Because if it's like I'm going to come to sing now, I would plan for it.
Oh, you plan and organize yourself?
Yeah, but you just go like this now. And
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
we
yes.
understand that.
but I can do a lot of things, you know.
Okay, so anybody wanting to reach out to you for to do a play or so they can
Yes.
reach out to you. What's your number?
And I like Del Zita.
You like Del Sita?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I like Del Zita is my friend.
Yes. Yes.
Her name is Andrea Wright Del Zita.
Yes, she's a comedian.
Yes. And I like a couple more, you know.
Yes.
And Bad Boy Trevor, them, you know.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Tell
so
them I wanna go and play with them. Yeah. Big up yourself, Mr. Handsome.
all right.
Yes. Big up yourself, Mr. Handsome. Mr.
All
Handsome.
right.
You know Mr. Handsome?
Yes, man.
Mr. Handsome, I always watch you, sir. So when you come back out on your thing, you big up me. My name is Steppa.
Steppa. Okay, so shout out your number. So in case somebody want to reach out to you, you know, to act in a play or so, 'cause you say you're a comedian. So what is your number?
Hola, you know say, me just get a new trip.
Okay, all right. Look for the number and
So-
tell me.
Let me look for the number on my phone and tell
All
you.
right.
You know if you dial star 129 and find me.
Okay.
Yeah. Hold on. Star 129 number sign. Send. All right, the number 1876 391 0560.
Awesome, awesome. So anybody want to reach out to you to do some acting or so, that's your number. That's
Yes.
Steppa's number.
Yes.
All right.
And I'm very good at it, you know?
Yes.
Yes. I know how to get myself in play
Yes,
properly, you know?
Yes. So that means your passengers them supposed to love you though, Steppa. You know, having this sort of personality and running taxi and so on.
In this life, I tell you the truth. Some people will love you
Yeah.
and some people will not.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah. Everything make up life.
So, who love me, me love them. Who don't love me, me still love them.
Okay. Okay.
You understand me?
Awesome.
It's just a part of life.
Yes. I hope everybody love you though.
No, you don't get that, mama.
That's why I say I hope.
Big up Phil for the taxi stand out there, so. Big up Phil for the taxi stand. See, you sit down right there, so hold the iron. Yeah, man. Big up in a Christian in a Christian taxi park. Mr. Wind Park up at top there, so. Yeah, man. Where we park, you know? Respect to everybody.
All right.
Yeah, man. I just saw it with. I hope to see you again.
Yeah, man. All right.
24/7/48 hours.
Yeah, man. You will see we on the channel. I look like Everything Jamaican.
What did I just say?
So you hope to see us again.
What the number I call?
The number?
What the number?
Your number?
No, what the number I call it?
You don't remember?
28/7/48 hours.
All right, Steppa.
28/7.
28/7.
48 hours.
48 fours. All right, I get you.
Yeah, man.
All right, see, I put my brain to task now.
Yes, man.
All right.
Why we Jamaican can't just be like this all the while?
I don't know.
Oh gosh.
You know,
is
it
the
would
best
have been
country.
so beautiful.
Yeah, it's the best country. You know, Jamaica is the best country. Jamaica is the best country. I don't want to live here go now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to leave Jamaica. Jamaica is a nice country.
Yes.
But we just all come together. Mama, miss, you know say all of we come together, everybody actually in America and Canada would want to pack up here.
That's true. I believe so.
And then we would have more money, more everything.
Yes.
More development, everything, you know. But just show we.
Yeah. Some things
Wickedness.
now, yeah.
Yes.
Violence,
Yes.
crime and violence.
And the violence, I beg you know, Jamaican, cut it down, man. Cut it down, man. Cut it down, man. See if you
Yeah.
can cut it down.
Yeah.
You know, the stealing and the raping and the
Yeah.
scamming and the whatever, you know. Make we have a better place, no, man. Better
True.
society, no, man.
True, true.
Cut it down, man.
Yeah.
Please. We don't want to see no more you end up in a jailhouse. Cause, mama, when somebody end up in a jailhouse, you know, you just come like my brother, you know. And I say, yo, that man have spent 25 years. You know? You know how long 25 years take to come? And when they can stop, you know, start one day yet.
Yeah.
You know? Just cut it down, man, you know?
Yeah, man.
Just cut it down, man. and
Live
make
good,
it.
live peaceful, and live honest.
And live honest, man.
Yeah.
You know? If I have a bread, you have to eat.
Yeah,
Eat it
satisfied.
and drink water. And you have a free life.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow will be better, not
Tomorrow
true?
will be better.
Yeah.
You understand me? And that's what you want, man.
Yeah.
And the government now. Government, please me I beg you. No disrespect. You see the bad road them like where people are jump over precipice and like over there. And the big pothole them in the road. See if you can fix it, man. We life value more than that, you know, sir. We life value more than that, man. You know? You know, cost 1 million, how much million to fix one little part of one road. But when somebody life gone, you can't come back.
True. So
You
you're
understand?
saying the bad roads are contributing to the
Yes.
accidents and so on?
Yeah, so
Okay.
see if we can help out, man.
All
See if we
right.
can help out government, you know? We love you still, sir. Whether me a PNP or me a Liberal, we love you.
Yeah.
I want love. Everybody never be the same thing.
Yeah.
Everybody never be boy and everybody never be girl. That's why we have two different sex organs, two different set of people, woman and man.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
So,
Blessed tree stepper. So Ian, it certainly has been a pleasure talking to you, and we appreciate you telling us your story, you know, taking time out to talk to us, because I see that you're busy, because while we're talking to you, you're
Yes,
still
ma'am.
working.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You're
And
welcome,
enjoy
ma'am.
the rest of your day.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Same
right,
to
and
you,
I hope
ma'am.
business will boom and it will do well, you know,
Yeah,
so you can make a lot of money and take care of your farm and yourself.
True.
Awesome. All right, blessed love.
Yeah, man. Every time, man.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
True.
All right.
Yeah.
Blessing be with both of you.
Thank you so much, and same to you as well. It was a pleasure meeting both of you.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, man.